So I just got this USB port splitter. So the good thing is it takes one and turns it into 7. The thing to note is it only works if you have like the USB type A, this type of plug-in, and then it'll plug in to here like that. But that's the important part, to make sure you have that if you're getting this. But that being said, super handy if you have one of those plugins, because you can never have too many USB ports. And yeah, basically it comes with a charging cord, comes with this actual device, super lightweight, compact, and your cord to convert the USB ports. Overall, super easy to use. The buttons make it, you can turn these on and off. Goes up to like 5 gigs per second transfer. So basically standard USB port. Overall, really good value for the price and super functional. So definitely check it out.